All right, man. Quick update, dog. So, let me get my hat right. All right. So, quick update. Hey, so I'm on the truck, man. So, my trainer, he had the first shift, man. I got on the truck around about 1 o'clock this morning. We did our pre-trip 2 o'clock, and then we pick up our load at 3. Yeah, I was in the sleeper for most of the trip. Hey, man, I'm excited, dog. So there's the truck right there behind us, man. What we're riding in, man. We're at a Love's truck stop. As you can see, I went from coats, t-shirt, and I'm wearing shorts, man. Wow, just a couple of days ago, I was wearing a coat with some boots. But yeah, man, so I'm excited, dog. I got 2 oranges to help get me on my way, man. So I'm gonna eat healthier while I'm out here on the road, man. So I'm gonna give y'all another update, you know what I'm saying, at the next stop, man. All right, so another thing right quick, man. So we're at the Love's truck stop, right? And, you know, I feel like I'm gonna go ahead and get me a, hold up. I'm not even gonna say the name. All right, so we're at one of these truck stops, right? And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna pick up some shower gel, body wash, because hey, at the airport they got rid of my stuff, right? So I get up to I finally find the shower gel body wash after searching so diligently. It's priced at $13. Are you crazy? Y'all making a killing on that stuff, man. Hey, y'all gotta do better. All right, man. Quick update, man. So, let's see. All right. So, right now I'm at the Love's truck stop. We're on our way to Raleigh, North Carolina, to a Target store up there. We're gonna make a few drops in North Carolina. So today is my first day driving with my trainer, of course. It's been a pretty good day. He started off the day around about 3 o'clock, concluded around about, I want to say from 3 a.m. to probably about 12 p.m. and then I picked up at 1 o'clock, and it's probably about 6 o'clock right now. So I'm gonna take a 30-minute break right here, and then I'm gonna drive the rest of the way to North Carolina, man. But like I said, man, so far so good, man. To say that this is the first day, it's been a good experience. I can't complain, man. You know, right now we're driving with the short trailer, one of the 28 footers. I was looking to be challenged, but that a little more. But you know, I can't complain, man. I'll take it how it comes. But like I said, so far so good, man. He said he's gonna go ahead and jump in the cab. He's gonna jump in the sleeper, and as soon as we get on 95, so feel comfortable, right? So right now, like I said, we in the Love's shower room, and it is clean. It is up to par, and I'm ready to go ahead and wash my anus, you heard me, my arms. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all an update a little later on, man, about what's going on, man. Alright, man. For the culture, man. This is for the culture.